Awesome. I get to talk about digestive health. And I know you guys have heard me talk a lot about gut health and digestion, but there's sometimes we need a little bit more. And that's where Herblax comes in. This is a Dr. Shaklee signature product that has been around forever. And so many that I know that remember Shaklee, they're like, do you still have Herblax? I'm like, we still have Herblax. This is a nice, gentle laxative and not even really a laxative in the true sense of a laxative because it uses senna and some other herbs to really just help reset the motion of your digestive tract so that things are going well. I've heard people that use it whether they're constipated or whether they have diarrhea. Sometimes you just need to get things reset. And this is where Herblax can come in and where Shaklee is so much different because we want you to have good, healthy digestive system and be regular. That means, think about babies. They eat, they poop, they eat, they poop, which is really what we should be doing as adults. Sadly, most adults don't poop every day, much less at least 3 times a day. So, really focusing on resetting that motion, resetting your digestive tract so that you are able to relieve yourself and go, whether it's with this or our Good Gut and Go or some of our other products, or sometimes it's a combo. It's really working with your body and seeing what your body needs to reset and move. It's also great for people that are going in to have surgery or maybe needing to take pain meds, instead of taking other laxatives that really aren't great and kind of still cause some other digestive issues, Herblax is a great answer and a great substitute for those. We also have a product called Stomach Soothing Complex. This one is just a nice, gentle, pepperminty kind of ginger smell and somewhat of a taste to it. And you can chew it, you can swallow it, you can make it into a tea. But what it does is really just helps to balance and reset your stomach. I know I've used it on cruises because I get horribly seasick and it just kind of gets rid of that ugh feeling. I have heard people that, if they've had stomach flu or they're going to feel like they need to vomit, will chew one up real quick and that feeling completely goes away and they don't feel the need to vomit. So it's a great option to have when you get that weird, yucky kind of stomach upset. One of my favorite products is actually called Easy Just. This I used with my boys when they were babies, when they were little, and really needed to have some extra digestive enzymes because some medications that they'd been on. Comes in a capsule, you can open it up, they can suck that powder right off your finger, you can mix it into whatever they're eating or drinking. But really, it's adding in those extra digestive enzymes that we need to be able to properly digest our food, whether that's from medication or, here we go again, as we age, we lose digestive enzymes, which is why some foods that we used to be able to eat lots of, we can't anymore. I know when I go out for Italian, I must eat all the bread on the table. However, my body does not like me to eat all the bread on the table. So if I remember beforehand to take an Easy Just, it goes much better for me. But the great part is, I usually forget and I can still take that Easy Just afterwards. And within about 15 minutes, I'm already feeling better because those extra enzymes are helping to break it down. So if you struggle with gluten or dairy or kind of just certain foods that maybe used to do great, not so much anymore, Easy Just is a great option for you to be able to take that and still feel good. And it's awesome for kiddos too.